So why did nobody ever tell me that you can toast nuts in the microwave? Yeah, I thought we were fucking friends, guys. What the hell? All right, so I'm just putting these nuts in the microwave. We're gonna give them 3 minutes to start, and I think they eventually took like 4.5 minutes, something like that, to get them toasted. But every 30 seconds, I stopped it and I gave them this little shimmy, shimmy, shake here, little whoop, 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 and back in, and then we closed the door again for another 30 seconds. Now, my microwave is 1200 watts and I was going straight on full bore. So, it's going to vary a little bit, cooking times and shit, depending on how powerful your microwave is. And you might even want to lessen the power on your microwave if you find that your nuts are burning before they're actually toasting evenly. But this 30-second stop is very important. That's for damn sure. You got to give it the 30-second stop and give them the little flip, because if you don't and you just go full on, you'll burn them. You will definitely burn what's at the bottom. Don't get overzealous. Give them the 30-second shake every once in a while and do their time until they are toasted. But this is fucking amazing. I'm telling you. Like, look at these. These took about 4.5 minutes and they are fucking toasted. I can't believe it. Like, the microwave did it again. Holy shit. Look at these. 4.5 minutes maximum for these toasted nuts. Now, I don't know if a larger quantity would take longer. I have no idea. I've done this twice. This is literally the second time. So I would have to get a larger quantity and test it to tell you. But I guarantee you, you can toast nuts in the microwave, guys.